In this video, I'll walk you through how to integrate n8n with Gmail. Let's start. Click the plus icon to add a new node. Search for Gmail and select it. You'll see a trigger option for send a message. Once you have that open, click the drop down under Credentials and choose Create New. Then click Open Docs. You'll be directed to Google Cloud. Before proceeding, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, the one you want to connect with Gmail. Just go to Google Cloud. Opens up this screen right here. Click on Console. Click the project drop down at the top and select New Project. Name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it n8n Gmail and click Create. Once it's ready, select the project and confirm the name at the top left. Now we need to click the menu in API and Services, then OAuth consent screen. Let's click Get Started, and you can give any name here. Let me give n8n Gmail app. We need to enter email and the next, select audience external, then next. Same email here and click through the steps. Let's click here to agree to the terms and click Create. Once that's done, go over to Create OAuth Client and application type is Web Application. Name it whatever you want. I'm going to call it My Client. Now go down here, click on Add URI. Where you get this information from is from n8n. So back to n8n. Copy this OAuth, redirect URL and go to Google Cloud and paste it. Authorize redirect field and then click Create. Now you have OAuth client created. Click OK on this screen. Click Edit. You will get client ID and secret. Come back to n8n and paste this into the client ID and secret. Now, back to the Google console. Go to audience because you need to give yourself a test user, which is most likely yourself. So add users right there. Type in whatever email it is that you're using. Let's publish app and confirm. Now you need to enable the Gmail service. Let's go to Enable API Service and Enable Gmail API. That's it. Back to n8n. Click on Sign in with Google. Make sure you choose the same email account that you just created right there. Continue. Select all. Continue. And you are done. You see this little green bar there. That means it's all connected. Let me send a test email from Chat Trigger. Let's select subject and body text and execute the workflow. Here it is. We got the email from n8n. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.